Okay, it's the Toyota RAV4 2010 limited 2.5 engine. Let me make sure that to verify that it's a Toyota RAV4. There you go. So here is the pull, where to pull the hood release lever. The release lever for the hood is right down here. Right there. That's the hood release lever. And what you do is, I smashed my thumb on the rear, the trunk door. When I closed it on my thumb. It hurt. So you pull towards you and it'll make a noise. That noise is your hood releasing. See, now you can push up on it, but I don't. And to close it, just gotta go like that. But that's where your hood release lever is, and it's pretty neat. It's a pretty neat so to release the lock from the inside of the vehicle to open the hood. So that's what we just did. And then I lifted the auxiliary catch lever and lifted the hood. That was in the front. And then you hold the hood open by inserting the supporting rod into the slot. So it's a little dirty here. Yep, that's the hood release lever. Well, and then down there is the port. There is where you access your computer, and it tells you all the codes, the various codes that's wrong with your vehicle. It's really cool, really neat. And that's a fake pedal, brake pedal, gas pedal, fake pedal. All right. This has been another Mad Human Pizza video. That is your hood release lever. That's where it's at, and that's how you use it. Look at the sky. Look at my teeth. Always gotta show my teeth in my videos. They're porcelain. My top teeth are porcelain. I changed my brakes in this car eventually, may probably be, probably not today, probably this weekend. I don't know. But I got some brakes, brake pads, brake cleaner. So that'll be another video. But yeah, that's your hood release lever. And hope I always get these little iced coffee mocha caramel. It's really good. I think I'm gonna, I can either change the brakes or I can just take it easy to that. I got stuff to do later, but I don't know. We'll see. It's best to change your brakes. I was making squealing noise, a lot of squealing, so I figured the squealing was the brakes. So I changed the belt. Squealing's still there. It needed changed anyway. The serpentine belt. I got a video on it, and so I'm gonna change the pads and make a video on it. So good times. Okay, where to store tools on a Toyota RAV4? Go into your trunk area and go down here. This is where I store my tools. It's a lot of space. There's some jumping cables, socket set. That is a 1/2-inch drive socket set. PB blaster. There's a torque wrench. There's some shop towels. A set of wrenches, combination wrench set. A set of sockets, and then below that is a magnetic tray. And I have jacks back there, 2 of them. And here's the air, tire air it up. There's a bunch of stuff under here. What else have we got? Oh yeah, we got engine fluid, engine coolant, I mean, and then some oil. This is clothes I'm going to donate. This is for baseball bats, and there's a bunch of, there's gloves, and then there's softballs. This is an assortment of, oh, there's WD-40, and then these little L wrenches. These come in handy. Well, see my thumb, I smashed my thumb on the, this door, the trunk door, closing it. And then this is for soccer. There's a soccer ball back here. And then these are chairs. So yeah, that's a great place to put tools in your Toyota RAV4. Is in the trunk. In the very back. It's just a good place. That's where I put my tools. And now, in your neck of the woods, I mean, you might be afraid of people taking stuff. And there's a storage area back here. I have a couple soccer balls here. I mean, you can store a lot in the RAV4. And then there's this area right here. Well, these are brushes for the winter time. Scrapers. 2 scrapers. And then this is to air the soccer balls up. Same with that. It airs it up. There's down here. So we got some plugs. Those are good for tires. Plug the tires up and then put that over when I'm mowing grass and stuff. And just, and then you got these things, which they're fun. There's no ball to throw though to attach to get on these. Anyway, oh, those are 14. I was wondering where the hell was that. I wonder where the sockets were at. Anyway, you never know what you'll find when you haven't looked somewhere for a while. Jeez. Anyway, let me put this down. Put that back down. A couple of hidden places here in a RAV4. And let me get this situated here. Oh, yeah. Found a couple sockets. And put stuff here. I usually put my cleaners here, but they stretch downward and you can't close your trunk. So yeah, the RAV4, and that's how that works. That's closed to be donated. But yeah, have a great, wonderful day. We found some sockets. Great. It's really great. Put those right there. Alright. Times. It's customary in my videos to show my teeth. I need to brush them, but I mean, they're my big teeth. So. What?